will be making nasi goreng. First we have rice, and egg, and chicken, and sausage, and carrot, and onion, and butter, salty soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, seasoning, and salt. First we put in the oil. Now we put in the butter. Now we put in the onion. Now we put in the carrots. Now it's time for the chicken. Now we put in the sausages. Now we put in the sausage. We mix it all together. Mommy, help me with the rice, please. Oh my gosh! It's ginormous! Now we beat the egg. Now we put in the eggs.